Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and I have found your favorite new muffin pans. These muffin pans from CAKETIME are absolutely amazing. First of all, my favorite thing is this comes in a set of two, so I can make my regular size muffins and cupcakes, or I have the option to make the mini size. And honestly, I utilize both of these sizes equally. My absolute favorite feature of these pans is just how sturdy they are. Unlike other silicone pans, these actually have metal frames around the pans along with handles, so it makes it super easy and super sturdy when I'm putting these into the oven. Even though it is made of silicone and the cups itself are flexible, the pan overall is very sturdy because of that metal frame. There is additional reinforcement in between each of the cups, so it prevents them from falling in when I'm putting in the wet ingredients. These pans are so easy to use, they're so easy to clean, and I love how my muffins, my cupcakes, everything that I put in them just seamlessly and easily slide right out of here. Having the two different variety of sizes allows me to make either a 2-bite mini baked good or a regular full size when I want it a little bit bigger too. I would definitely check out this muffin pan set from CAKETIME. Not only are they durable and super sturdy, but they're super cute too. But that's just my point of view.